YouTube can serve as a source of passive income. Many content creators earn substantial money by sharing videos on the platform. However, not everyone achieves success. Some creators quit because they struggle to monetize their content or channel, and this often results from the content's quality. Ensuring high-quality videos isn't a simple task. Once you've chosen a video topic, you need to conduct extensive research, gather data, create a draft, and write the final script. Following this, you record your voice or shoot the video. Then comes the crucial step of editing the video, incorporating relevant B-roll footage and sound effects. This process is time-consuming and costly. What if there was a way for someone to do this work on your behalf and deliver the final product in just a few minutes? It might sound unbelievable, but I'm here to introduce an AI tool capable of creating well-crafted videos from a single line prompt. Feeling excited? Let's dive in. Introducing InVideo AI, I will put the link in the description. InVideo is a well-known online video editor tool. Now it's coming with AI. Think of any topic, and InVideo AI gets to work. It generates your script, creates scenes, adds voiceovers, and tweaks everything at your command. It has over 16 MN plus stock media collection from iStock, Storyblocks, and Shutterstock. A vast number of human-like voice models in different languages and accents. Alright, to start our journey with InVideo AI, navigate to the top and hit the Try InVideo AI button. You have to create an account. You can do it with your email or Google account. It's so simple. After creating the account, you have to answer some additional questions. After all of this, you will be on the creator page powered by AI. This is the prompt box. Here you can give the prompt and AI will create a video for you. You have to just enter your video topic, duration, and other details. Or you can customize it with workflow. To do this, click on Select Workflow from here. First, the video length, you will get 4 options: YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer, Recent Events Video, and Script to Video. For example, I am selecting YouTube Explainer Video. Now you can select the video duration. InVideo AI allows you to create videos from 15 seconds to 15 minutes. I will select 2 minutes. Next, you have to enter the video topic. Enter a detailed description of your topic. For example, I am entering 10 best places in Europe to visit in summer. Then add some additional information, such as tone, audience, and others. I will enter provide detailed information about 10. Oh sorry, detailed information of 10 places in just 2 minutes is not possible. Let's make it 5. Okay, now enter provide detailed information about 5 best places in Europe to visit in summer. Keep the tone informative and friendly. After that, the background music. I will use inspiring and calm music as my video background music. After background music, come to the setting. Basically, this setting is for the voiceover. First, select the gender. I will select a female voice. Then the accents, age, and use case. I will select an American young girl's voice. After setting the voiceover, it's watermark text. I will suggest using your channel name. Then the iStock footage. This time I won't use any iStock footage. Alright, after all is set, click on the Continue button. You can see that InVideo AI generates a prompt for us from the workflow input. You can customize it if you want. Okay, if you are satisfied with the prompt, hit the Generate a Video button from here. Now AI will analyze your prompt. After analyzing the prompt first, it will generate a title for your video. In my case, it's Summer in Europe, Top 5 Must Visit Destination. That's a pretty cool name. I love it. Now we have to select some settings. First, the audience, it will be perfect as travel enthusiasts. Then the look and feel. And finally the platform. Select the YouTube. After all is set, hit the Continue button. Now InVideo AI will generate a script, voiceover, and video for you. It will take some time. You can grab a cup of coffee at this time. I will fast forward this part. And here is our video. Now you can export the video or can customize it. Before going to the next step, let's watch the video first.
Planning your summer vacation but not sure where to go? How about exploring the breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cultures of Europe? From the Emerald Isles to the City of Love, Europe is a treasure trove of experiences. Let's dive into the countdown of the top 5 summer destinations in Europe. Starting off at number 5, we have the enchanting Emerald Isle, Ireland. Imagine strolling through verdant landscapes, exploring quaint villages, and experiencing warm Irish hospitality. A place where ancient history and modern vibrancy intertwine effortlessly. Ireland, with its mesmerizing beauty and welcome.
That is really a great video. Informative and friendly. The visuals are perfect. Okay, let's do some customization. Click on the Edit button from here. This is the Made Editor panel. If you want to customize the script, click on Edit Script from here. You will notice the full script on this page and it's editable. Let's make some changes. I will change the word countdown to the world. After completing the editing, click on Apply Change from here. And it's done. Alright, let's change some media. Click on the Edit button again. Now select the scene of the media file which you want to change. After that, you can change the footage within video footage or you can upload your own footage. Click on the Upload button to upload your own footage. This time I will use in video footage. Come to the search bar here and search for your desired footage. You will get a vast number of free and premium stock footage. Just select one of them. After selecting the footage, click on the Apply button from here. Now, another interesting feature of InVideo AI. You can edit or customize the video with a text prompt. You just have to give instructions on this prompt box and AI will do its job. For example, I want to change the voiceover to an American male voice. I am entering the prompt as change the voiceover in American male voice. And it's completed. Let's play the video and see the result.
Planning your summer vacation but not sure where to go? How about exploring the breathtaking landscapes and
That's amazing. Wow, I just love the tool. In this way, you can change the script, change media from any scene, and anything. Now video editing is not a tough task at all. Alright, after all is set, click on the Export button from here and then select Export Video. It's very important. First, select the video resolution. You can select up to 4K. I will keep it 1080p. Next, the watermark. If you want to export without a watermark, then you have to buy a premium subscription. Let's see their subscription chart. In the Plus plan, you have to pay just $20 per month and you will able to create 50-minute video. And in the Max plan, you have to pay $48 per month and are able to 200-minute videos per month with premium stock footage from Icecock. That's really value for money. I think it's a profitable deal as we know how costly video production is. Alright friends, after all is set, click on the Continue button. Now it will take some time to generate the video. In this time I will introduce another important feature of InVideo. If you're facing any copyright issues on YouTube with this video, the InVideo team will help you to solve the issue. Click here if you are facing this problem. You can talk and chat with the InVideo team or can join their Discord server. I will suggest joining the Discord server. It is very helpful for every creator. Alright, friends, our video is ready. Let's enjoy the video.
Planning your summer vacation but not sure where to go? How about exploring the breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cultures of Europe? From the Emerald Isles to the City of Love, Europe is a treasure trove of experiences. Let's dive into the world of the top 5 summer destinations in Europe. Starting off at number 5, we have the enchanting Emerald Isle, Ireland. Imagine strolling through verdant landscapes, exploring quaint villages, and experiencing warm Irish hospitality. A place where ancient history and modern vibrancy intertwine effortlessly. Ireland, with its mesmerizing beauty and welcoming locals, is a perfect summer getaway. Coming in at number 4 is Iceland, the land of fire and ice. This stunning Nordic country is a theater of natural wonders, boasting impressive geysers, sprawling glaciers, and thundering waterfalls. And in the summer, the midnight sun paints the sky in hues of endless twilight. For nature lovers and adventurers, Iceland offers an unforgettable summer experience. At number 3 we have the romantic city of Paris, France. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the Grand Louvre, Paris is a city that captivates. Imagine sipping coffee in charming cafes, strolling along fashion boulevards, or cruising the Seine River at sunset. Paris in summer is a dreamy destination that's hard to resist. The runner-up on our list is the stunning floating city, Venice, Italy. Unique architecture crafted by time itself adorns Venice's waterways, making every gondola ride a romantic journey through history. The city pulses with life during its lively festivals, each filled with color, music, and joy. And let's not forget the Italian cuisine, a feast of flavors that captivate the palate. Venice, with its enchanting canals and rich history, is truly a summer paradise. And finally, at number 1, we have the awe-inspiring land of the midnight sun, Norway. Imagine a realm of dramatic fjords, vibrant wildlife, and a day that never ends. In Norway, you can hike under the sun at midnight or kayak through the breathtaking waterways at dawn.
That's really an awesome video. Very informative and well-crafted. Now everyone will be able to create high-quality content for their YouTube channel with minimal effort and cost. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating a video with InVideo AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!